We are back with question number 16 of NAT IIT GEM MS 2021. So this will become our question number 56. So here it is given a summation an from 2 and they're asking about the value of this limit. So this is a good question, moderate level. Here you have to use the concept of binomial theorem. Suppose, to understand it better, let's take p plus q 2 to the power n. ये कैसे लिखा जा सकता है बाइनोमियल में? एन सी के, यहाँ पे के इसलिए हम लोग के ले रहे हैं, एक्स भी ले सकते थे लेकिन के ताकि ज़्यादा बेटर समझ में आए, विच इज़ पी टू द पावर के क्यू टू द पावर एन माइनस के इज़ फ्रॉम 0 टू एन. अब हम लोग इसको इससे कंपेयर करेंगे तो p टू द पावर k मतलब p शुड बी 2 because here 2k is pk p2 and q should be n minus 2 because n minus k is n minus 2. So our binomial expansion becomes 2 plus n minus 2 to the power n for nck 2k n minus 2 n minus k from k 0 to n. So this becomes n to the power n. But here we can see there are additional terms as well, and also the series does not starts from 0, it starts from 2, so we have to adjust that terms as well. So हम लोग 0 को और 1 को निकाल लेते हैं और 2 से सम बनाते हैं. तो अगर हम लोग इस सीरीज़ को खोलेंगे तो क्या बनेगा? एन सी 0 2 0 n माइनस 2 n प्लस एन सी 1 2 1 n माइनस 2 n माइनस 1 प्लस समेशन एन सी के 2k n minus 2 to the power n minus k, where k is from 2 to n. So we don't need these terms. So इसको हम लोग इधर ले आएंगे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. तो ये हमारा क्या बन जाएगा? एन सी 0 तो हमारा 1 होगा, 2 0 भी 1 होगा, तो क्या बचेगा? n माइनस 2 टू द पावर n. अब ये वाला टर्म में भी हमारा क्या बचेगा? एन सी 1 क्या होगा? n होगा इंटू 2 इंटू n माइनस 2 to the power n minus 1 is equals to summation nc k 2k n minus 2 n minus k from k2 to n. Now this term is this. There is extra term which is n to the power n. So we have to divide it by n to the power n. If we divide it here, we have to divide it here also. Now this equation is equivalent to this equation. So we need to find this. So we need to solve this. So let's rearrange this equation. N to the power n by n to the power n is 1 minus n by 2 by n to the power n common minus 2 n minus 2 by n to the power n minus 1. So this becomes this. And now we have to find the limit of this because we have to find the limit of an. So this is our an, and sorry, we have to find the limit of 1 minus an. So the limit of n tends to infinity, 1 minus an will be 1 minus 1 minus n minus 2 by n to the power n minus 2 n minus n by n to the power. So this becomes 1 gets cancelled and negative sign becomes positive to the power n plus 2 n minus 2 by n to the power n minus 1, limit n tends to infinity. Now we have to rearrange it further. 1 by 2 by n to the power n plus 2 1 minus 2 by n to the power n minus 1. Now this becomes form of 1 to the power infinity. So it is very easy to solve. E to the power minus 2 first will become e to the power minus 2, second will become 2 to the power e to the power minus 2. Solve it, it is very easy. You know the calculation of 1 to the power infinity limits. So this is limit of 1 minus an where n tends to infinity. So this becomes 3 e to the power minus 2. But the question is asking e square into limit of 1 minus an. So we have to multiply with e square as well. So after multiplying with e square, we have 3 as an answer. So this was numerical answer type. So our answer is 3. I hope you got the process very smoothly. So thank you.